Sixth principle, refrain from overindulging. Now let's understand what is overindulging. Overindulging can be done in many ways, like hovering. It's being overly aware and responsive to a child's every move. It's failure to allow her the physical or emotional space to make choices or act on her own. Sympathizing. This way, communicating pity for what a child is going through. It is different from empathy. They reward him for feeling bad rather than taking action. Avoiding. It's withdrawing into ourselves and leaving our children without support, structure, or guidance because we are uncertain or overwhelmed by their needs. Catering. Giving in to a child's whims and wishes. Bending over backwards to keep him happy and making sure that things go his way so he won't be upset. Fixing. It's solving a problem or doing for a child what she could and she should be able to do for herself. Making a bed, choosing clothes, talking to a teacher. Rescuing. It's trying to make a child feel better by undoing consequences or not allowing a child to face the consequences of his actions or choices. Protecting. It means preventing a child from facing the reality of life by not letting her engage in experiences that involve social, emotional, or even physical risk. Flip-flopping. It's setting us boundary and then renegotiating because it was not convenient. You do this because you think that the kid pushed back or you thought you were being harsh. Pleading. Begging kids to do what you want rather than expecting and letting them be responsible. Bribing. Making a promise to do something or give the child something to get him to do what you want. Something he should probably doing anyway. Giving in. Wearing down as you hear whining or complaints. Letting a child do what she wants to avoid. Enforcing a boundary. It is easier. So, these ways parents overindulge. We give children too much power or reward their bad behaviors rather than letting them face consequences and learn responsibility. We are trying to keep them happy and so end up giving away our parental authority. Children get message like, I have to get my way to feel okay. Limits do not apply to me. Someone else will make things better for me. No one is more powerful than me. We must avoid all this behavior as they lay foundation for weakening behaviors amongst you and your child.